Breaking news that's coming in right now at the top of this hour. Mamata Banerjee, West Bengal Chief Minister, will skip the meeting, the COVID meeting with Prime Minister Modi later today. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee will not attend this meeting in view of her election campaign. The Chief Secretary of West Bengal will attend this meeting on her behalf. Remember, Didi had skipped the last PM meeting with Chief Ministers on COVID as well. My colleague Prema Rajaram is joining me live right now on this story. Prema, this is the second time consecutively that the West Bengal Chief Minister is skipping a very crucial meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, which of course will be discussing the COVID-19 situation, which of course is a very serious situation at the moment in the country, and also the progress on vaccinations across the country. Prema.
A very important issue here with the COVID situation across the country, where we are seeing that there are certain states that have gone in for restrictions, and at this point in time, even though there are elections in West Bengal, the Chief Minister has chosen to skip the meeting with the Prime Minister over the COVID issue and said that because she is campaigning for elections, she will not be able to attend this meeting. And though she is sending a representative, it sends out a message that for Mamata, right now what is more important is campaigning for elections. And at this point in time, also, Paul and me, it's the BJP and the Trinamool Congress tussle in West Bengal for the seat of the Chief Minister here in the state of West Bengal. So even beyond that, right now it is the COVID situation that is topmost priority, and Mamata has chosen to skip that meeting, sending out that message that right now it's the elections that are of topmost importance. Back to you, Paul.
Right, Prema, thank you so much for joining us with those details. Also joining us on this show are our guest, Tausif Khan, political analyst, who will be representing the Trinamool on our panel today. Sanjay Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and a political analyst as well, joining us this morning. Thank you, gentlemen, so much for joining us on this show. Tausif, I'll come across to you first. A very crucial meeting that the Prime Minister is having with state chief ministers on the very serious situation of COVID-19 across the country, with the second wave, and the progress on vaccinations and the question marks around it. And the Chief Minister of West Bengal is skipping this very crucial meeting again in lieu of her election campaigning.
No, Chief Minister is personally not present, is not going to be present in this meeting, but she will be represented, as you have already said. The Chief Secretary will be representing her in this meeting and will presenting the inputs from the Bengal government, and will forward the points discussed in this meeting to the Chief Minister to take their decisions. There is nothing wrong in it. Chief Minister has her own programs scheduled because of the elections, and those are as well, she is also in public service. Attending the elections also part of the duty, as well as attending these meetings. So where in places where she can send her representative, she will exercise that discretion, and she has chosen to send the Chief Secretary.
But this is not the first time. This is not the first time, Tausif, that she's skipping a meeting. This is very crucial. The health situation across the country, the pandemic situation across the country is a very serious situation. Surely she can make some time out for this very, very crucial meeting, because that is a duty, like you said, that she owes to the people of the state as well. Electioneering is part of a political campaign, but this is part of the public service that you're talking about.
Electioneering is also part of the democratic process and obligation on the political leaders, and she will impart that, because she is the Chief Minister of West Bengal and she has to ensure free and fair election, and therefore being physically present somewhere, or stay connected through a representative, is purely her prerogative, and she decided to send the Chief Secretary. And she is represented. It's not that she is not represented, and this is not something new, as you have yourself studied in the past.
Sanjay, to respond to that, Sanjay Singh, could you please respond to that? I mean, what Tausif is saying is electioneering is also part of her democratic obligation, and if she's sending a representative, why make a big deal out of it?
Valami, this has happened in past. First, may I correct, I am not from Bharatiya Janata Party. I am just a political analyst, journalist, so to say. This has happened in the past
Sure,
with
okay.
other chief ministers also.
I
In
stand
last
corrected, sure.
meeting also, some chief ministers were not there. Mamata Banerjee, however, this is election time, that is understandable. But in several other meetings also, Mamata Banerjee has given a go-by to the meetings chaired by Prime Minister. And there has been several reasons for that. Her relation with the center, as it was never very healthy. Since the time Modi government came to power, a year after that, I think since 2015. Now it has reached a point of no return, and they are in election and barbing charges against each other. So I don't attach, I would not attach that much of importance of her not attending this meeting, because even if she attends the meeting, her attention span for remedial measures would be very less, and so as
Okay, right. Sanjay and Tausif, I'll request you to stay on with us because there are many issues that we need to discuss. One of them is the allegation which has been made